Are you looking at today's fast-paced kitchens? Electric egg cookers are gaining popularity for their convenience, speed, and precision. Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who just loves a good breakfast, these gadgets make it easier than ever to prepare eggs exactly the way you like them. In this guide, we evaluate the best electric egg cookers based on cooking capacity, versatility, list number.
Crock-pot 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker with digital timer, stainless steel. While technically a slow cooker, this crock-pot earns its place for its ability to slow cook and batch cook eggs for recipes like egg bites or breakfast casseroles. The 6-quart capacity is great for large families or meal preppers. Its digital timer and programmable settings let you set it and forget it, ensuring eggs and other meals are cooked to perfection. The locking lid and portable design are handy for potlucks or picnics. Though it doesn't specialize in eggs like the others on this list, its versatility and quality make it a worthy contender. Ideal for those who want an all-in-one appliance rather than a single-use gadget.
List number.
Rapid Egg Cooker Electric. 6 egg capacity. Soft, medium, hard-boiled, poacher, omelet maker. The Rapid Egg Cooker is a compact, user-friendly solution for all your egg needs.
It boils up to 6 eggs at once and includes accessories for poaching and making omelets.
You simply add water with the included measuring cup, press a button, and the device does the rest. An automatic shutoff prevents overcooking, and its audible alert lets you know when your eggs are ready. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for dorms, apartments, or travel. Despite its budget price, it's surprisingly durable and reliable for daily use.
List number. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. 6 egg capacity electric egg cooker. Dash has built a reputation for smart, affordable kitchen appliances, and this egg cooker lives up to the hype. It offers boiling, poaching, and omelet options, cooking up to 6 eggs at once. The build quality feels premium despite the lightweight design, and its bright color options bring fun to any kitchen. A built-in buzzer notifies you when cooking is done, and the automatic shutoff ensures eggs won't overcook. Cleanup is easy, thanks to the non-stick accessories and BPA-free parts.